How's it going, guys? Today I want to let you listen to a noise my truck's been making pretty much since the day I left the lot. I actually took it to Ford, let them listen to it. The guy that listened to it said he's had about 4 people come in on the 2021s. He agrees that there's something going on with the lift pump, but got a hold of Ford and they won't do anything until the lift pump actually dies. The good news is he hasn't heard of a lift pump actually dying yet, so he said it may just be the nature of the beast. I had a 2020, it didn't do it, and he agreed that it seems to be an issue isolated to the 2021s. But I'll let you guys listen to it, and just that way you know, at least aware of what the noise is, and that Ford basically says this is normal. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop any ideas for future videos down there in the comments. But we'll go ahead and let you listen to it. So that's the noise there. Like I said, Ford's basically saying, well, the dealer's saying that Ford's not honoring it as a warranty. They said there's nothing really wrong with it, and they won't do anything unless the pump actually quits. So until then, we can't really do anything. We're just gonna cross our fingers and hope nothing happens. I've put I got 5,000 miles on this truck now. I noticed it at about 300 miles, so I put about 5,100 miles on so far, towing and bobtailing. So just crossing our fingers, hoping that it keeps like it is. It's not getting any worse, but it's not getting any better, so it may honestly just be the nature of the beast. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe out there.